Hi everyone, it's Sarah Jane. I'm here today to tell you 10 reasons why I love my Crochet Society boxes and why I think you will too. Number 1, you get these gorgeous boxes delivered to your doorstep once a month. Number 2, you're guaranteed to find gorgeous high quality yarns inside. 3, you'll get a bespoke crochet hook in every box. 4, you'll get gorgeous Crochet Society goodies to collect each and every month. 5, you'll learn new stitches and techniques with every pattern. 6, you'll get hours of exclusive video tutorials made by me. 7, you'll meet lovely crocheters from around the world in our closed Facebook group. 8, you'll never run out of inspiration with new crochet designers featured in the box each month. 9, you'll find yarns that you have never tried before. And 10, you'll find a mini magazine in each box every month packed full of crochet inspiration. So tell me, have you subscribed yet? Subscriptions close on the 20th of September for box 4, so if you want to get your hands on one, head to www.crochetsociety.co.uk. I can't wait to see you there.